Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to fix Instagram message notifications not showing up issue. To do this, first you need to open your settings option in your mobile device. Next you need to go to apps in your mobile. Then you can click on this manage apps option in here. Now you need to find this Instagram app in here and click on it. Then scroll down a bit and you need to click on this notification option in here. Now you need to turn on this notification option to get all notifications on Instagram. Now you will get your Instagram notifications. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.